The demonstration, which started yesterday evening, so many people who were driving their cars and bodabodas back home get stuck after failing to get where to pass since heavy trucks had been parked in the middle of the road. We came here to work, but we have spent 3 months without receiving payments. We have many debts. We have tried approaching authorities for our money, but no one is responding.
hati nizo mshibakata kama ngomu China nwatake na kushashura company hiti ni twaje nkatu broking ngomu China unda katushashura twageza ka broking ngomu China inga kutushashura twaga twazi mashi twazigaro paki baje musente zize twaziyo mwena hati zize banga kuzbara twaganise banga kutereza mwena dini twargetu ntwe yukanjira sente zitu ntuzenda ngabe tunapasara obudoro.
We have decided to close the road because we are not being paid. We approached all leaders, but they have never helped us.
Keterenduru mubebembezi bona hakaso wa district maradisi mwameya bakalema kutuyama ensonge nkuru bakutugamba bacho kusoswa hatu miezi 7 bakatusosora tulinzire sente zetu ziremere keterenduru kulemere bakatugamba mchena nwene sente twasibira mchena le bakutosente.
He said they have for months been depending on getting dates from people that supply them with food who are now demanding for their pay. They insisted that they will not remove the heavy vehicles from the roads until they are paid. We are told the engineer ate the money, yet the Chinese paid. So we are still here, not sure of what to do next.
When the opportunity came, I was happy, thinking I was going to benefit. These road workers, I cook for them, but they have not paid me for 3 months now.
The government contracted China Railway 18 company to undertake the road works. However, the Chinese firm subcontracted Global 21st Engineering Company. The project, which was contracted in June under the Uganda Support to Municipal Infrastructure Development USMID program, was supposed to rehabilitate Milane 0.72 kilometers, Kabundire water supply 0.9 kilometers, and Mugoma-Kahunga Bunyonyi 0.66 kilometers of roads. However, in March this year, the Fort Portal Tourism City authorities, in a heated meeting with the contractor, expressed their dissatisfaction for what they described as the low progress of the construction works. Are we going to develop like this, like in other areas in the country, because of these people who are trying to sabotage our development? Of all contractors that have come here, these are the worst. Stop giving us all kinds of excuses.
Don't romance issues of
Efforts to speak to the contractors on the same issue were futile since all their numbers were not available by the time we filed this story.